Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power to the emergency fixture and verifying it is dead with a non-contact tester. This protects you and the electronics. Next, remove the cover, usually held by 2 screws, so you can see the battery. Make sure to wear gloves and safety glasses because batteries can leak. Once the cover is off, examine the battery type and connector closely. Take a quick photo so you will know where wires go when you reconnect the new battery. You now disconnect the battery connector by gripping the plug, not the wires, because pulling can loosen contacts and cause future failures. After unplugging, release the battery from its bracket or strap and remove it. Note how it sat so you can reverse the steps. Insert the new, correct voltage battery in the identical orientation, then reconnect the plug, making sure polarity and connector shape match exactly. Once connected, secure the battery with the original clips so it cannot shift during use. This prevents vibration damage. You finish by restoring power and running the unit's test cycle to confirm the lamp and charging circuit function. Many units have a test button. Use it. If lights operate, replace the cover, tighten screws, and write the replacement date on the battery with a permanent marker. If the emergency light fails, first make sure the charger supplies correct voltage, then inspect connectors and any inline fuse. A multimeter check will reveal open circuits. If charger or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.